Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you when is TikTok coming back. So TikTok returned to the US App Store and Google Play on February 13, 2025 after being removed in January due to a law that requires its parent company called ByteDance to divest its US operations. The TikTok's reinstatement followed an executive order by President Trump delaying the enforcement of the ban, which basically allowed some time for potential negotiations. Apple and Google restored TikTok to their app stores after they received assurances that they would not face penalties for hosting the application during this period. However, TikTok's future in the US remains uncertain. The current enforcement deadline for the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Controlled Applications Act is set for June 19, 2025. And if ByteDance does not comply with divesting TikTok's US operations by that date, the application could face removal from app stores once again. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.